Good evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. Right. Today, the main reason for me to do this video, what is that? As I've told you in the community tab, today we are going to see the marking scheme. That is your revised marking scheme. That is right. So, revised syllabus. I'm going to see, and we are going to discuss this revised syllabus. If I have to tell you, the important thing about this video is syllabus, right? So here I'm going to give you the syllabus of 3 important classes. That is, you'll be seeing the grade 10 syllabus, you'll be seeing the CBSE grade 11 syllabus and CBSE grade 12 syllabus. Right, let us start off with the first one. Let's go into the topic and just start. Right, here when I have to speak about the grade 10 syllabus, just see here, simple. Here grade 10 syllabus, as usual, if I have to see, this is the latest in CBSE released. All the chapters are the same. What did they say? They said they have reduced 30% of the syllabus. This 30% of the syllabus doesn't mean they have taken out the topics or they taken out the chapters, but only thing is, from each chapter, whatever is there, they have deleted some certain topics. Let's see that. Okay. Here, first thing, chemical substance in nature and behavior. Here in this chapter, when I take chemical reactions, everything is the same, starting from the balanced chemical reaction till the oxidation and reduction. Everything is the same. There is no change in the chapter. Everything is same in this. Okay, right. Now when I go to the next chapter, that is acids, bases and salts, right? So here in this students, as I said again, the whole topic, everything is same like last year. There is no change in this till POP. So the second chapter also, everything you need to learn, there is no change. Now when it comes to the metals and non-metals, that is your third chapter in chemistry, here there's a lot of variation you have to see. That is the topics like, just see, you can note it, the topics like in this chapter, that is metals and non-metals, the topics like basic metallic properties. What is that? Basic metallic properties, or basic metallic, the processes are there, no? All calcination, roasting, the refining, all these, the basic metallic process, all the things they have taken out. It is not there, only it is there till ionic compounds only. Along with that, the concepts like corrosion, the concepts like prevention methods for corrosion, all these are taken out. It is not there. So your topic for metals and non-metals, it starts from properties of metals and ends with properties of ionic compounds. Clear? Yes. So when I come to carbon and compounds, that is your fourth chapter, important, covalent bonding. This is a very huge chapter, isn't it? So in this chapter, maximum they have taken out. See here, the chapters become very small. What is not there? So when I take this chapter, the topics which are not there are, just see, nomenclature of carbon compounds. This is not there. Okay, nomenclature of carbon compounds is not there. Right? So in that you have functional groups, isn't it? Nomenclature containing the functional groups. So that functional groups, halogens, acids, alcohols, all those, that is also not there. Aldehydes, it is not there. Next, differences between saturation and unsaturated compounds. So differences between saturated and unsaturated compounds. This topic also is not there. Unsaturated compounds also is not there. Okay, this is fine. Yes. After that, they have also taken out the last topic, that is chemical properties. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. What are there? So here in this case, combustion, oxidation, addition reactions, substitution reactions, all those chemical properties are not there. After that, you have last ethanol and ethanoic acid, isn't it? That preparations, uses, ethanol and ethanoic acid, this also is completely taken out. Ethanoic acid, this is not there for the upcoming grade 10 2021 batch. So you don't have all these topics. So almost carbons compounds, it has become completely, if I have to tell you, 1/4 of the syllabus. Now when it comes to the periodic classification of elements, okay. So the last chapter, periodic classification, in this case, everything is there. Everything is clearly given. Right, students? So this is your grade 10th chemistry. First chapter, second chapter, same. In third chapter, basic metallic processes like corrosion, combustion, roasting process, calcination, all these are taken out. Corrosion also is not gone. So here in 10th, in the fourth chapter, these topics are taken out. Now, let's come and start with the next chapter, that is your grade 11. So when it comes to the grade 11th, okay, now this is your basic grade 11 syllabus is the same, but only difference here is in grade 11 you don't have environmental chemistry. That's the most important thing. So here you're observing last year environmental chemistry was there. So this chapter environmental chemistry or environmental chemistry is deleted. So environmental chemistry chapter is gone. It is not there this year. And here little bit periods, number of periods they have reduced. For teachers, if I have to say, earlier it was 12 periods here. This is reduced to 10 periods. Again, earlier it was for 14 periods. They have reduced this to 12. So this is 14. Like that, all the number of periods are reduced. And finally, the total number, earlier it was 160. So the teaching periods were 160. Now the number of teaching periods, they made it to 119 only. This is one point to be noted. Okay. So when I come to the first chapter, as I said here in grade 11, you have unit 1 to unit 13. Okay. So 14 were there. The 14th chapter is taken out. This is not there. Okay. Now when I come to the first chapter, you're seeing here, all the topics are there. But which topic is not there? Just see here, the topic like atomic and molecular masses. Okay. I'm just reading out students. Space is not there. So the topics like atomic and molecular masses, mole concept, molar masses, percentage composition, empirical and molecular formula, chemical reactions, stoichiometry and calculations based on stoichiometry. Okay, right? So these all topics are there. But what is deleted is, just see here, general introduction and scope of chemistry. This is also there. But in between these two, there is a certain topic like, just see here, nature of matter. Okay, nature of matter is one topic which is deleted. Laws of chemical combination is one more topic that is also deleted. Chemical combinations, that is also deleted. And Dalton's atomic theory, that is also deleted. Dalton's atomic theory also is deleted. After that, concept of elements. Your concept of elements, atoms and molecules. Concept of elements, atoms and molecules. This also is deleted. Okay. So when I have to take the first chapter, this is the deletion. These all topics are deleted from that previous year. So you can mark it and just mark. When it comes to structure of atom, the whole chapter, nothing is deleted. Everything is there in atomic structure of atom. So only little bit deletion is there in the first chapter. Right. Let us come to the next chapter. When I take the next chapter, next topic, just see here. Your third unit is classification of elements and periodicity and properties. So in classification of elements and periodicity, everything is there. There is no deletion. Now in chemical bonding also, all the topics are there in chemical bonding. Now when I take states of matter and liquids, right students, here states of matter is there. In states of matter and liquids, basically they have, because very important chapter, nothing is deleted, but important thing, like little deletion is there in this, that is liquefaction of gases. This is not there. So in states of matter, what is not there? Liquefaction of gases. Liquefaction of gases. Next, topics like critical temperature, topics like kinetic energy, topics like molecular speeds, all these are excluded. Molecular speeds, all these are excluded from the topic. These are all not there. Next important thing, you're able to see here in states of matter, there is no liquid state. Completely liquid state topic is deleted. Liquid state topic is completely deleted. It is not there for the exam. Okay. Now, let us come to chemical thermodynamics. Okay. So, let me erase this. I need space. Let me take the eraser and, okay. So, that is what is not there in gaseous state and liquid state. Now, we will see chemical thermodynamics. Right. So when I take this chemical thermodynamics, all the topics are there, but the topic which is not there is criteria for equilibrium. So criteria for equilibrium is a topic which is not there this year. So criteria for equilibrium deleted, nothing to study this year. Next topic which is not there in chemical thermodynamics is heat capacity IULC, it is not there. No, heat capacity and specific heat. So these two topics are not there. Specific heat, these two topics are also deleted from thermodynamics. These two are also not there this year. This is fine, students. Now let us come to equilibrium chapter. So let me erase this part from this so that I have space. Okay. So here basically when I have to speak about equilibrium chapter, right? So in equilibrium chapter, all the topics are there, but the topic which is not there is Henderson equation. So Henderson equation, this year they have deleted. Henderson equation is not there. Hydrolysis of salts also is not there. Hydrolysis of salts also is not there. Hydrolysis of salts also taken out. Done. And the topic again, if I have to see elementary idea of buffers is one more topic which was there, right? So elementary idea, buffer solution, solubility product. Okay, the last topic that is already there. Only these two they have deleted from the chapter. That's fine. Now let us come to redox reactions. So when I come to this chapter, let me erase this part. I think you have noted it. Okay, right? So here in redox reactions, the topic which they have deleted. Okay, let me take one pen. No. So here basically in redox reactions, the topic little bit thick marker let me use. Okay, so here they have taken out applications of redox reactions. So basically applications of redox reactions is the topic which they have taken out. So applications of redox reactions is not included this year, right? So here redox reactions part, I think you can delete this. This is confirmed, not there. Now when it comes to hydrogen, this hydrogen chapter is there, no? So in hydrogen chapter, they have deleted preparation and properties. Preparation and properties and uses also. Preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen. Preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen is not there this year. They have taken it out. Okay. Next, if I have to see further in hydrogen chapter, one more thing. Remember, hydrogen peroxide preparations, reactions, structure and uses. Hydrogen peroxide preparation, structure and uses, nothing is there. Everything they have deleted. Right, students? They have taken out and hydrogen as a fuel is there. When I go to the next chapter, that is your 11th chapter, right? S block elements. Little bit, let me move this here. Okay. So here when I take the S block elements, all the topics are included, but the topic which is removed is preparations and properties. See here, very major topic they have taken. Preparation of and properties of important compounds. Okay, important compounds are there. That is sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, and biological importance of sodium and potassium, calcium oxide, calcium carbonate, and the industrial uses, biological importance of magnesium and calcium. Almost 3/4 of the chapter they have taken out. All those topics are not there. Right, students? Yes. Now, when it comes to P block element. So, in P block element, little changes in group 13 when I take. Okay. In group 13, so this is your 13th group. The topic which they have taken is some important compounds. Some important compounds, that is your borax. If I have to take borax is one, boric acid is one, boron hydride is one, boron hydride is one. Then aluminium reactions, all these are taken out. This is not there. Aluminium reactions with acids and alkalis, it is not there. That is fine. Let me erase this. Okay, so that I have space for the next chapter. Okay, so I think you have noted it. So these are the topics which are not there. Now, when it comes to your group 14 elements, again in group 14 there is a major cut down of syllabus. That is, you just check. See here in group 14, uses of important compounds. So there is one topic called use of some important compounds of, that is oxides of silicon, and few uses of silicon carbon tetrachloride, silicones, silicates and zeolites. All those are not there. The last topic is not there for the upcoming year. Now, when it comes to organic chemistry, the topic which is not there is methods of purification. So, methods of purification, that is your methods of purification, qualitative and quantitative analysis. This is not there. Qualitative and quantitative analysis, these topics are taken out. Quantitative analysis, this topic is not there. This is fine. So, remaining all are there. So, methods and purification technique methods, they have completely deleted. Now, when it comes to the hydrocarbons chapter, let me erase this also. Okay, right. So, when it comes to the hydrocarbon chapter, if I have to see in organic chemistry, right? So, just see here. In hydrocarbon chapter, all the topics are included. There is no, in hydrocarbon, all the chapters are included. There is no deletion. Everything is there this year. Aliphatic, aromatic, everything is there. There is no change. Right? So, as we said, the last chapter, that is environmental chemistry, is not there. So, environmental chemistry is deleted this year. Right, students? Now, next comes your grade 12 syllabus. So, let us come and start with the next this one, that is your grade 12 syllabus. Most important, grade 12 students are waiting for this. Grade 12 students, let us see what is deleted. There's a good news for you all. If I have to tell you, good news for you all, that is, let's see the chapters. Here, when I take the grade 12th syllabus, just see here, all the chapters are there, but how many are you seeing? The chapters are only 14. Okay. The chapters which are deleted this year are metallurgy. Metallurgy has gone. This is not there this year. Next chapter which is deleted is your polymer chapter. Polymer chapter also gone. And the next chapter which is not deleted is chemistry in everyday life. Most of the students they ask, ma'am, chemistry in chemistry in everyday life, ma'am. So chemistry in everyday life also deleted. Gone. Metallurgy gone. Polymers gone. Chemistry in everyday life gone. Right. When I have to take the first chapter, let us go chapter wise. Let me erase this whole thing and start chapter wise, because you should know what to prepare now. Okay. So here when I take the first chapter, solid state, what topics are not there, I'll say. So in solid state, everything is there. There is no deletion. Everything is there. But when it comes to solutions, the topic which they have deleted is abnormal molecular masses. So abnormal molecular masses is not there for your syllabus. This is not there. This they have taken out. When it comes to electrochemistry, the topic which they have taken out is dry electrolytic cells. Okay, dry cells, secondary batteries are there, no? Primary batteries, secondary batteries. So dry electrolytic cell is not there. Galvanic cell, this is not there. Then you don't have lead accumulator cell, that is a secondary battery also is deleted, that is also not there. Accumulator cell, this is also not there this year. Right, students? Okay. Now, let us know the next one. Let us take the next chapter, chemical kinetics. So, when I take the chemical kinetics, the topics which are deleted here are concept of collision theory. Concept of collision theory, this is also deleted, not there. Activation energy, this is also not there. Concept of activation energy, not there. Arrhenius equation also is not there. So, Arrhenius equation also is not there. So, all these three topics are deleted from chemical kinetics. Right? Okay. So, let me erase this. This is over for chemical kinetics. Now, when I take surface chemistry, what should you remember? Surface chemistry, as I said, here in surface chemistry, the topics which are deleted are catalysis topic. Catalysis. Then, that is your homogeneous and heterogeneous is there now. That is deleted. Enzyme catalysis also is deleted. This is deleted. Enzyme catalysis also is deleted. Enzyme catalysis also is deleted. This is not there. And topics like activity and selectivity. Activity and selectivity, this is also deleted. Not there for your next academic year. And next, the topic called emulsions. Emulsions are also deleted from surface chemistry. This is fine. Okay. Now, as you're seeing, after surface chemistry, there should be a chapter called metallurgy, no? So that is isolation of elements. Metallurgy chapter is completely gone. They have taken out metallurgy chapter. Okay. Now let us see group 15 elements. Let me take the eraser. Right. This is done, students. Right. So now when it comes to group 15, your group 15 is here. Let's see what are not there in group 15. Right. So here, basically in group 15, when I take, just see, everything is there in group 15. They have not taken out anything. Now in group 16, the industrial processes, that is your manufacture and uses of your sulfuric acid. Right. So what? Industrial processes, manufacture, properties and uses of sulfuric acid. See, is it there? It is not there, no? See here. Sulfuric, it is not there only. They have taken out completely. So these topics are not there this year. In group 17, everything is there. In group 18 also, everything is there. This is fine, students. Now let us come to D block, D and F block. So let us erase this whole thing. Okay. Right. Now when it comes to D and F block elements, let us see here. In D and F block, one important thing you need to remember, the topic which is deleted is preparation and most important topic, I don't know why they have deleted. Preparation and properties of two things. One is KMNO4 and one is potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7, both are deleted. This is not there. And the topic which is missing here is actinoids. Actinoids is the topic which they have completely deleted. Actinoids they have completely taken out. Now, coordination compounds. If I have to come to this chapter, let me use the eraser. Right. So, in coordination compounds, the topic which is deleted again is here stereoisomerism. Okay. They have taken out the topic stereoisomerism and importance of coordination compounds. Importance of coordination compounds. They have taken out these two topics. It is not there here. Now let us start with haloalkanes, haloarenes, that is your organic compound. The topic which they have taken in these two, the topic which they have deleted is uses and effects of polyhalogen compounds. Uses and effects of polyhalogen compounds. Carbon tetrachloride, freons, polyhalogen compound, all these are taken out. It is not there. Polyhalogen compounds is completely deleted. The next topic, if I have to take, just see, this is your alcohols chapter. So in alcohols chapter, phenols, everything is there. In alcohols chapter, which they've taken is, which is not there, is uses of methanol and ethanol. Uses of methanol and ethanol, both are not there this year. Phenols, everything is there. Now, when I take aldehydes and carboxylic acid chapter, everything is there, no deletions only. Now, when I take amines, a topic called, as you have seen, a topic called cyanides, as well as a topic called BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride, both are not there, it is deleted. When it comes to biomolecules, right? So here in biomolecules, the concept, that is your oligosaccharides, polysaccharides are deleted, not there. Now, when it comes to your proteins, the topic like enzymes, that is the elementary idea of enzymes, it is not there. And here in biomolecules only, the topic like vitamins. So vitamins completely they have taken out. Vitamins topic is not there in this 2021 syllabus. As you know, that is your polymers chapter and chemistry in everyday life is deleted. So polymers in chemistry in everyday life chapter is not there, as I have discussed. So this is your practical syllabus. As usual, it will be the same. polymetric analysis, salt analysis, content-based project work, everything will be the same. Right, students? So this is all your syllabus. Next video, I'll be teaching, basically I'll be giving you a video, very important, that is the new pattern question paper. So new pattern question paper they have designed, new pattern question paper design. So paper design, I'll be doing it. Please watch this video and please share it to everybody. So this will, I'll be doing 2020-21 paper very soon. So thank you for watching. So hope you have liked the video. Stay happy and thank you.